Farscape Engineers, Inspector Summary Video. We're here in Carlton Street in Westfield, New Jersey, and we have an existing Farscape. This is one of 6 Farscapes. This Farscape is the same issue as Farscape before it. This is Farscape's number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Again, no evidence of maintenance, all original hardware. We need to refurbish and or reinforce the entire system going up and over to the roof. That must be verified. All these connections that are hex head or square head bolts must be replaced, refurbished and or replaced, or reinforced if they're in good to excellent condition. We have, again, all slats. This bolt gets changed, that bolt gets changed, but all the pins in between don't need to be changed unless they're popped. Then you only reinforce. Railings the same way. Only the rails that are broken you fix, but all corners must be refurbished and or repaired. Okay? All corners. All tiebacks must be 100% refurbished and or reinforced. We got railings going down, again, with gaping holes on the left and gaping holes on the right, so those lines must be cut in half with 2 more lines so that a child or a person will not jam themselves going down the stairs. This Farscape does have a lot of cement issues. As you can see, going down here, cement holes. Every one of them, all the cement is wide open. All floors. So 100% of the cement. You need to verify this. You got to go put a snake in there, and with that snake, digital snake, I need photographic evidence that it's tied in there and it's not rotting inside there. Otherwise, you got to replace it. And then you got to repack it and then seal it from any future moisture intrusion. All my J's, all my stringers need to be refurbished, 100%. And again, on all these connections, I want all the supports. That's the rivet. If you want to take out that rivet and change it to a 1/2 inch, go ahead. Otherwise, put a gusset in here, 2 bolts here, 2 3/8 bolts this way, 2 3/8 bolts that way, and that gusset is now been reinforced or refurbished. Otherwise, if I see individual rivets still in, it's 50 to 75 years old. I will not sign off on that, and it will not pass a load test. That includes these here. That includes these back here. You got to put gussets on these things because these things pop. These things are going to let go. So 100% of all the structural needs to be refurbished and or replaced, whichever is cheaper. Now we start repeating ourselves. Farscape is older than 1978. Has tested positive for lead, as you can see with all the lead-based red primer. So you must be a licensed renovator to touch this Farscape. No welding, no torch, no flame on this Farscape as per EPA requirements. You must have a permit on this job, and if not, I need a letter from the fire marshal stating that he doesn't want a permit on this job. Otherwise, we will not sign off on any work that is done without a permit. Must have a license to be in the ironworks business of some sort, so you have to have workers' comp and liability. The workers' comp must be a workers' comp that includes fire escapes. There's a lot of iron workers out there that just have ironworks for railings and window guards. They don't have it for fire escapes. You must have workers' comp for fire escapes. And the last piece of this fire escape that's a problem, aside from 100% of all the treads need to be refurbished, is the ladder. The ladder is a problem here in that ladder will hurt somebody. It has hurt the maintenance guy here before. And this should be permanently mounted on the wall so that the last rung is 7 to 9 feet from the ground, and you can jump down, or make it a permanent ladder if this is not a bad area. Make it a permanent ladder to the ground so that people can basically get in and out of this Farscape, or put weights on this so that from above there's weight systems, and this ladder will drop 2 to 3 feet per second when activated, with a chain system up here that basically doesn't allow anybody to pull it down. Any questions on this or any other inspection repair required on this or any other Farscape at this complex? Inspector Meneses, Farscape Engineer Meneses, 800-649-3333, 800-649-3333. This is Farscape Engineers.